Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your videos look more high quality on CapCut PC. Copy and paste your video, go to Effects, and you're going to select the cartoon one. Oh, I'm already here. Okay, select cartoon, and you're going to select black and white sketch, and you're going to add it to your video here. And you're going to search for blur, and you're also going to add that there. And I'm going to copy and paste the video again, and I'm going to select the neon one, go back to blur and add that on top again. Once you're done, select this one first, go to blend mode and select color burn, and you're going to adjust the opacity of it. Select this one, go to color dodge instead of color burn, and adjust the opacity of it as well. And just play around with it. Go to adjustments and add in a custom adjustment on top. Adjust the saturation a little bit, and you're going to go to sharpen, and you're going to sharpen out your video like by a lot. I'm also going to adjust the shadow here and maybe like the brightness a little bit. I'm also going to go back here. That looks scary. And I'm going to adjust the color burn a little bit here. And the color dodge as well. I'm just going to leave the saturation actually, and I'm just going to turn up the brightness a little bit. Turn down highlights a little bit. And add in some shadows here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!